Papa, how are you doing, sir?
Come back here. Where are you coming from?
But I went to see my friends.
You went to see your friend? Oh, you think I don't know? I will so much deal with you in this house. Think I don't know? Foolish boy.
Papa, why do you insult now? Why are you insulting me?
Leave this place!
No, why are you insulting me?
I said leave this place!
Nah, Papa.
I said leave this place!
Favor! Come. Did you tell Papa anything?
Me? Tell Papa? How? I don't understand. How?
Tell me exactly what you told Papa. Now, tell me the truth. Did you tell Papa anything?
I didn't tell Papa anything, no. I didn't tell Papa anything. But the way is it that you always shouting? You always shout!
Me shouting?
I have mouth to shout.
Me shouting?
Shift.
Okay, I am now shouting. You are even looking at me, I am shouting. Don't worry, I will deal with you. Don't worry, I'm coming back.
Guy, you don't know how to story baby.
I don't know anything, no. Guys, just see me say I no happy, I no get joy. Just
forget that thing. Hey guy, you get what I want to ask you now?
Wait with that.
How about your girlfriend Choma?
Who be Choma?
You dey ask me? Choma, your present girlfriend, you don't know.
Ah, that one. Nah, I'm done with that girl. I don't need her again. I'm done with her. I don't want her again.
You say waiting. Wait, I hear you talk now. You don't do waiting.
Waiting be you say waiting.
You don't.
I said I'm done with her. You want to go and carry her? Go ahead, permission. I don't like her again now by force.
Guy, you know you can't talk now. Waiting she do.
Chey! Nah, guy. Now what for you? You bad though. Just like this, you don't quit that girl. You be correct bad boy. You know?
Osbona, guy, make I tell you the thing we don't board now. Say I get new crush. I don't get new crush.
Oh, joke, my
I never
man.
reason the girl.
So just like that. Just like that.
I just want to tell on say
Shut up.
I have
you
it.
girl. Shut up. Don't you come to this one now? Can't come.
You don't mind now. You know say I see which girl go feel, you know. I don't get new crush. You see this one, machine.
Okay, now me I won't come before you. I now gonna beat me.
Come here. Which
shut up now. I go slap you. Shut up.
Hey,
we lie.
you know even know say.
Shut up.
Oh, pass me the lighter. You don't even know where to light this thing again. Move it.
They corrupt you, no one learn. Smoke. Now we can't talk. Smoke.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you are really welcome. Oh my dear, you have to send my regards to your family. I just came around the neighborhood to check on my old friend. Yeah, so I decided to check on you. I can't come here without checking on you. You're my best friend. I would have suspected you. But it's okay. Thank you very much. I need to start. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You are welcome. My regards to your wife and your children. Okay? I will. Okay, my dear. Always take good care of your family. Oh, no problem. No, you know what? No problem. All right. Okay, my dear. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Where have your brother been?
Papa, I've not seen that boy since morning. Since morning!
For hours now, I've not set my eyes on him. Jonas!
I don't know what has come over him. He's behaving strange nowadays.
Becoming something else.
Papa, get out sir.
What is good about the afternoon? Come back here. Where are you coming from?
Papa, which kind of question is that one now?
Will you keep quiet and answer, Papa? Look at him.
Wait, are you talking to me? Like,
Myself.
are you referring to... Yeah, I'm talking
to myself.
If I slap you, your sense of reason will balance well. It's like you're grown with sleepy gong. Try it again. You're not pressing phone up here. You're not happy phone. If I'm talking and you're pressing phone, I'll break that phone. I'll come and collect that phone and break it.
Shut up that your dirty mouth. Shut up your mouth. You think we don't know? You think we don't know? Let me tell you, that last time you have decided to leave, I tell you, it's going to bring you into a big problem. And when you land into that problem, I will not come out. Because these days, I don't understand you anymore. You want to bring shame to me? Jonas, retrace your steps. When calamity will fall on you, I won't be there and I will not come out.
Brother, why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? You know you're the only brother I have. The only sibling I have. Eh? Why are you maltreating us now? This is maltreating. No. Why are you doing this to yourself now?
No, you're not telling me now. Why am I doing this to you? In short, I don't have time for you people. I don't even understand anything that you are saying here. All I know now is that I'm very, very hungry and I need to try.
Jonas!
Food!
You are walking out of me! Jonas! Okay, you will hear from me. Jonas is walking out of me. Jonas!
Papa, don't mind him now. There is no food now. Food has finished. No food for a lazy man. Hey.
You will hear from me. Jonas.
Papa?
I want to talk to you.
But I hope everything is okay.
Jonas, why do you smoke? You are bringing shame to this family.
Papa, I don't smoke. Oh.
You are bringing shame to this family, Jonas.
Papa, I've told you, I don't smoke. Believe me. How can I smoke? I don't know such thing now.
Why are you denying it? You are lying and you know you are lying. Why are you denying it? You are living a bad life and you know you are living a bad life. It's written all over you. And you are telling me that. Why do you want to bring shame upon this family?
Papa, who could have told you this crap about me? I don't smoke. I've told you, believe me. I'm not a smoker.
Let me tell you. What a man sit down and see. An elderly man sit down and see. You will climb an iroko tree and you won't see it. Stop bringing shame to this family. I am warning you for the last time. You are tarnishing the image of this family. Stop it. Stop it. Jonas, stop it. I will not repeat myself again. Stop bringing shame to this family. I've told you. Who even told you this?
I'm not a smoker. Me have told you this about me.
You know you're my best friend.
Yes.
And I cannot see something that is wrong without telling you.
Okay.
On my way here, I saw your son, Jonas, with other two boys, smoking.
That can't be truth. What?
Am I lying? Trust me, I saw him, but I don't want him to see me. So I dodged.
My son?
See, let me tell you this. This is not time for question and answer. Jonah is your son and is your only son for that matter. I want you to talk sense into him.
No, this boy won't kill me. This boy won't kill me. What have I done to deserve this punishment from this boy? Hi! Okay. Thank you very much for the information.
You know you're my good friend.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Who could have told my father about this? How did he know? Are you sure it's not fair for my little sister? But how did she know? This might be a guessing work. Jonas, you have to be smart. Oh yes, you have to be smart.
Stop the vehicle! Stop the car! Okay. Come out! Oga, come out here now.
Who's this scallywag?
Now me they call scallywag.
What's you? Do you want to die? What's wrong with you?
You know they hear about me. You don't know me. Go for this village. Go anywhere. Ask anybody about Jonah.
Wait.
Waiting they call him. Saloon.
What is your problem?
Now you be my problem. Now you yellow like yellow pawpaw. Now you be my problem. Oh, I don't know where you just appeared. You just appeared in this village and took away my girlfriend. How dare you take her to a saloon and bought her hair?
Oh, I see.
You want make a go kill you, Abi?
Okay.
Hey.
Just stay right there.
I go change her for you.
I'll get back to you. Just stay there. Just stay there.
You want die, Abi?
No, just stay there.
You want die? I'll get back to you. I'll break this photo. I will scatter this photo if I see my baby inside the video. I'll finish this car. I'll finish this photo. Idiot! No, come and give me. Don't let you get photo for this village.
Idiot! Compound fool!
Okay, you want to give me a
Lick on poo! Look at him! Village idiot!
I will deal with you.
Nonsense! Foolish boy!
And look, this guy nearly killed me.
Brother,
Oh, you don't, brother, me don't even try it. What did you tell Papa?
as you can see, I'm reading for my exam. So don't come here and be disturbing me. Oh.
You say, it's like you have gone naughty. Now, Alabogo, you are stupid. I say, what did you tell Papa?
Smoker! Stop disturbing me now!
Oh, now I know. Now I know that you are the one. Favor, have you ever seen me smoking? Favor, mind your own business in this house. Mind your business or less I will kill you in this house. Mind your business, oh. I'll kill you in this house, oh. Mind your business.
You better migrate from your evil ways, though. If not, the day this heaven will open, even Papa will know you very well. Every time you be shouting, as if you're the only one that have mouth.
Guy, chai. If you see the kind fine girl where we see today, me I don't know say this kind fine girls, they exist for this village, for this town. No.
Fine girl.
I tell you.
Tell me now, how did she look? How did she look?
No. Now one sexy, fair, fine girl like that. See, if I see this girl, be like say she no grow up for this town.
She's fair in complexion.
Yeah.
You figure it. Guy, now that girl I tell you about. Now that girl be that my new crush I tell you. Now I love that girl so much.
Yeah, you love her. She might tell you, I love her more. You understand? And don't say you be womanizer, you know. But for this one, I be like stay clear, stay off the babe. I know, see. Respect yourself. Oh.
Which kind talk be that one now? No, which is that a joke or what? How can you tell me to stay clear my crush?
No, they come near
I
you.
told you that I love that girl.
Guy, I'm not calm down. Yeah, no be that girl will see for it. You don't spin am, you talk to am, maybe you just say waka pass am.
See, I know this kind of thing.
And you.
Now waka pass even
cool down. You know what this guy feel
nah,
do.
calm down.
Cool down first. You know what this guy feel do. See, me I know trust you and I know what you are up to. See, me I know. Stay away from that girl though. Me and you know the reason anyhow.
You no say anything where I want, I will get am. Now me be Jonas, go ask.
Calm down. You yourself, you don't even spin, I don't even talk to anybody.
I beg come on here, you are not say your own na jagbada. Get out. I don't even know what you want to talk. Wait till I know say that girl na my own. Now they go my father house as well.
Judith,
Yes, dear.
I must be very honest with you. As it stands now, I want us to call this relationship a quit.
Meaning what?
Meaning I am tired of this relationship. I cannot keep up any longer. I mean, how can I stand with what's his name? Jonah, or what do you call him? That's what has the effort, the nerve to block me, to block my car. Look, I am tired of this relationship. Let's just call it. I don't want stress.
People, you know I love you. You can't just leave me like this.
I know, but as it stands, I'm tired. More than this extent, because look, this boy is a village boy for crying out loud. He can't even wash his boxers very well. Embarrassing me on the road, on the street. Look, I'm tired of this relationship. When you're ready, let me know. For now. And when you're ready, just let me know. Okay?
Onye mechio. Onye maruche.
That small boy. You don't know the gist of that boy level of me. When you're ready, let me know.
Onye maru sodimo.
Aye! Nah, don't worry, anyhow.
Good day, sir.
Hold your greetings. Just hold it. I have been looking for you, rascal.
I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from my son. Stay away from my son. Your mates are in the city, being useful to themselves, and you are in this village, roaming about, looking for somebody to destroy. Stay away from my son. Else!
Shut up, shut up. Ta what? See, Oga, let me tell you. You and your stupid son, will not help anybody. They feel me. So make you respect your old age. Respect yourself. One day, may we live here. Be careful.
No talk anyhow for here. No just one your mouth. As you can see, boys are not smiling. I don't kwanya.
Hey,
Adanya.
Hey! This can't be happening.
Hey!
Okay.
Baby, listen now, listen.
What is it?
Please, baby, listen to me. Since the day I set my eyes on you, I fell deeply in love with you. I swear, I love you. I just want you to give me a chance. No? Give me a chance.
Okay, I'm listening.
Baby, I want you to be my girlfriend. Just give me a chance to handle you very well. I'm the latest boy on town.
See, listen. This is not the reason I returned to this village. And I will think about it.
Hey, just that.
I will think about it, okay?
Okay. I agree. Think about it, oh. Think about it, oh.
And so, now waiting make him to talk to us like that. As waiting now, see, no they yap this matter again, no they yap.
Okay, but there's something like that. But I will try my best to stop it.
What's in that?
Henry, I won't stand and watch my friends fight because of a girl. How do you wrong, man? No, it's not normal.
Hey, I come back here. See, make I tell you something. I'm hungry well now. You understand? Right now, I need to eat something. See, you go be.
Henry, no wait, you only be for here. Henry, calm down now. Wait, calm down. I need to buy our car. Listen now. Henry, what did you do now? Calm down.
Come on, sit this.
Favor, go and get Nancy.
Food is in the kitchen.
If I slap you, go and do what I asked you to do now.
It's like you're not hungry. Because if you're hungry, you know what to do.
And you? What are you doing here? No, what are you still doing here? By this time of the day, you are supposed to be in your father's house, doing something. And you are here, playing, talking asheri. If I go inside here and come out and see you here, I will not say what I will do. Only God knows. But let me just go inside and come out and jam you here. Don't worry.
Why is your brother always harsh?
No, sorry now. I don't know what is wrong with my brother. It's like he's going nuts though.
I have to go before he comes out.
Jonas, what is wrong with you? It seems that your madness increased day by day in this house. Are you okay? I don't understand you. All you do is to misbehave and do stupid things in this house.
Papa, what did I do? No, tell me, what did I do?
What did you do?
Yes, what did I do?
What did you do?
Yes.
Why did you send gift to your sister's friend away from this house? Eh? Is this your house? Do you have any right to send somebody out of my house?
I have the right to send her out of this house.
Or is this her first day of coming to this house? I am warning you for the last time. If you try such next time, what I will do to you, you won't like it. Let me warn you for the last time. Never in your life will you try such a thing. Yes. Yes.
Then let her come to this house by this time of the day. Let her come. If I see her here again by this time of the day, what I will do to her, you and your daughter will not like it. I will deal with it.
Don't worry. He won't try it again. It's okay, man. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Stand up, stand up, stand up. It's okay. Let's stand up.
Why is it that you always carry everything you see in your head? Is it most that everything you see, you say it? Whether you see me smoking or not, you go around the village and tell everybody that I'm smoking. See, let me tell you. If I found out that you are the source of that fucking news I'm hearing in my father's house, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Don't worry.
So, because you move around this village with those small girls, you think you're not a big boy and you have the effrontery to talk to me anyhow you like.
Even though nobody told you that I'm a big boy, can't you see? Are you blind?
Oh no.
Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm a big boy?
The only big boy that I know you to be is when it comes to Igbo, you are a big boy. Nothing else.
I did not come here to exchange word with you, but I'm here to warn you. If you try that nonsense again, I swear to God, the CDC be better that you call home. This nonsense place that you come, I'll break it down. I'll kill you. I'll deal with you. Look at the place you call a home. Look at the place you call your house. Even my father's house is a beautiful angel area where this one is. Can you imagine this house? Can you call this place? You call this place a house and you're making fun.
Don't worry. I will report it to your father.
You cannot do anything. You cannot go to my... See, if you shit there, I go shit. I'm not going to work. You will not do anything.
My friend, I'm so angry right now.
What is the problem?
You need to see how your son, Jonas, insulted me today.
Jonas insulted you?
I didn't know it has gotten to this.
Jonas?
Yes.
What is happening to me?
I don't know. That boy is your son. Yes. I want you to talk sense to him. Talk sense to him until he does something there, because the next time he will insult me, he will not go scot-free.
What is happening? Why is this happening to me? Am I the only father in this community? Jonas, I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry.
I will caution you.
Better.
I will caution you.
Better.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Onye
He will come and
mechi
meet
yo.
you. Jonas.
Onye maru uche ndị mmụọ. Onye mechi yo. Onye maru ụzọ ndị mmụọ.
It was wonderful. I hope you'll be coming over this evening. Don't do me promise I'm fair this time around.
I won't. Just that I'm afraid of your brother.
My brother, forget about that one. Do you know what? My father have taken care of him.
Really? I will come now. Okay now. I will come.
Alright. Hey, no,
Judith. See, not the truth I tell you. Only you not fine girls. Now wow, see face now, ass, boobs everywhere said die. Even the skin is glowing, Jesus. You dey bust my hair like this. Fine girl.
Thank you.
Fine girl.
I wanna make. Come. Henry, what are you doing here? Judith, how are you?
I'm fine, dear. How are you?
I'm okay. Henry, I said, what are you doing here? I have warned you to stay away from this girl. What are you still doing with her? It's like you don't want to respect yourself in this village.
Jonas, are you normal? What's wrong with you now? Who do you think you are? See, let me tell you, I don't have this kind of time to waste. You understand, baby? Let's go, no time.
Go where?
What do you want to do?
Go where?
Not like this.
What thing you go do?
What is your problem?
What? Come close to her.
See.
Come close to her.
Hey! You guys are dance! Rubbish!
You see what you saw?
Now you got this.
Obif give me.
Okay, now no wahala. You go
Obif
see.
give me.
You go see.
Maybe. One night. Ozaka tell you. You see what I will do?
She was here.
Who was here?
One of the girls you have messed up was here. Why are you living a bad life?
I said who was here and you are here making
Stop
noise.
shouting! Choma was here. Choma was here crying bitterly. She even told me of all the good things she have done for you. Now you paid her back with evil. Why are you like this? Why are you bringing shame to this family?
That one. That idiot. Oh, she was here. Rubbish.
Look at how dirty he is. Big. Don't worry, very soon, Nemesis will catch you. Bad son of a good man.
I'm sorry, my friend. I am sorry.
Why did you tell me you're coming when you know very well that you're not going to make it? Why?
I'm sorry I couldn't make it yesterday. My mother insists on me helping her out because my sister's husband was around.
Okay, no problem. I'll fight him. It's good. Say how is your brother?
Yeah, fine. Do you know that your brother fought his friend because of a girl yesterday?
My own brother?
Yes, he fought Henry.
Hey! Do you know it? I'm very, very disappointed at my brother. Why is he bringing shame to this family? My father must hear this. My father must hear this. My father is going to get... Papa! Hey!
I'm sorry for everything. Forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Why are you apologizing now? It's not me that you fought with,
Judith, I know. And I also know that you're angry at me. So, what are you talking about? Just forgive me, please.
I'm not angry at you. I'm not.
Yeah, are you sure?
Let's just be friends, okay?
Hey, Beautiful. You don't understand. I can do anything at all for you. I love you so much. Please, I love you.
And I love you too. Let's just be friends. Please. Let's just be friends. I can't date you. I can't.
You don't understand. Please. Please. Be with me.
I can't.
Please be with me. Please.
I can't. Papa, welcome.
Thank you.
Papa, welcome.
You are telling me welcome? Jonas, where have I gone wrong? Where have I gone wrong? Why do you go about disgracing me? Why? Why would you go about fighting over a girl? A girl, Jonas. How many girls have you been messing around with? Jonas, where have I gone wrong? Tell me, let me know.
Papa,
are you cursed? Tell me.
Papa, who told you this one now?
Oh my God.
Who told you that I'm fighting over a girl? Papa, I am not fighting over any girl. Which kind of girl is that one?
Papa, this is a very big fat lie. Linus, I'm going to say the truth.
If I slap you, Nyamayola.
Jonas, I'm disappointed in you. Amend your ways. Amend your way before I lose my temper on you. And you won't like it. You will not like it in any way at all. Amend your ways. Yes!
All I know is that I didn't fight over any girl. Don't lie to yourself for idiot. Okay for you. If I catch you, I'll finish you. Every time people will be shouting. Whatever I need to see madam. Yes.
Jonas will not kill me. Where have I gone wrong? That this boy will not allow me to rest. Trouble everywhere. This is not how I treated my parents. So why is Jonas doing this to me? I'm confused. Where have I gone wrong? Why is my son treating me this way?
Papa,
My daughter.
you've been like this for a while now. What is wrong? What are you thinking?
My daughter, I'm okay. There's no problem.
Okay, if you're fine, let's go inside and eat. Besides, I made your favorite.
Just go in there and eat. I will join you later.
No, Papa, no.
I will join you.
Every time you tell me I should go and eat. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and eat.
I will join you. Just that I don't have the appetite to eat now. When I'm hungry, I will eat.
Papa, Jonas is messing up. And now you too. What do you people want from me? Why are you all doing this to me? Do you need my head?
My daughter, don't worry. Just go in. I will join you. Okay? I will join you now. Don't worry. Go in. I will join you now. Okay? Just go in. I'm coming. Go and set the table. I'm coming. I will join you. I'm coming.
Baby, please. All I need is you. I'm going crazy about you. Please. Baby, please. I no longer sleep at night.
You are taking this thing too far. Disturbing me every day.
It's because I love you. Baby, please help my career, please.
It's okay. You can get up. Papa said that you want my heart.
You know I love you. I love you.
to come back. Your tea is ready. I'm feeling cold. Hi.
Well,
What are you two doing here? Eh? Are you not seeing this rain? So, two of you are the one inflating my brother negatively, okay? Especially you.
So, what is this one? What is this one now?
are you talking to us?
No, I'm talking to myself.
See. Hey, come. If I slap you, your teeth, all of them will come out. Let's say you don't get respect again. See this little dirty pig.
You people should better stay away from my brother or else.
You always wait, what will happen? What you want to do? If I slap you, bless it. Come on, for your so idiot.
Don't worry, my father is coming.
See this little brat, see not allow me to not allow me to slap you.
If you touch me,
if I touch you, what will happen? What will happen? If not because I did your house, what will I for do you?
Your teeth is smell, I don't go.
Guy, don't.
You don't get mad to smile, me.
Shoot.
Don't worry. If I catch you for road, you know now. I will kill you.
Mama! Don't worry, my father is coming.
Papa, but for a couple of weeks now, you have been like this. You have been moody. Papa, I didn't mean to say what I said to you. But please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I know how you feel. But you can't continue like that.
Get out!
Papa, please now. Please, Papa.
I said get out of my sight!
Papa, please, I'm sorry. I mean it.
Get out!
No, that is I'm fine now. I'm tired. Like seriously. Baby, I don't know what is happening now. That one is their own cup of tea. Especially that old fool, that old teacher, that old layer. I'll leave him out.
I'm tired of this village. I'm tired.
I can't wait to live here.
I'm tired of this village. I want to leave. I'm tired of this village. I'm
is it only you? I want to leave that my stupid brother. That my brother that is worrying my life.
Do something about the exam. Beg.
That one is their business, Sha. I'm not paying any dime again. I'm not paying any money.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you playing?
Yes. Hey!
Is that your brother?
You have seen it though? My brother.
He has changed though.
My dear, I just prayed so. I just prayed that God will start answering all my prayers.
Jesus. I hope he changed for good though.
I just prayed so. Baby, see, keep your leg like this. No. In case you run out with cutlass.
No, I don't think he will do such thing. But the way you did it
was nice, ba? I'm so happy. Forget about him.
This weather is white.
Papa, buy me the recharge card now. All those small ones. That 100 naira one.
So you went and buy phone, you don't know how you will recharge it. You are waiting for me to buy you recharge card.
Joe, my man!
Joe? Good answer.
Yes, sir.
What are you looking for?
We are looking for our friend Jonas.
Jonas?
Yes,
your
sir.
friend Jonas?
Yes, sir.
You rascals, you have finally destroyed my son. And you are here bending your ears that you are looking for Jonas. Wait for me.
Yeah, vomit from this compound. Look at them lazy youths.
What are you?
You are waiting for me.
Wait for me, Jonas.
Papa, check them.
You see, God save them today.
Imagine.
You are looking for Jonas. After destroying him, you are here looking for him.
I don't know you can run like this.
Don't mind it.
Hey!
I'm looking for Jonas. You come and Jonas.
Papa! Even now I look like cockroach.
Idiot.
Hey!
They should thank their gods. If not, the hair will be rolling on the floor today.
Papa, why did you insult my friends? No, tell me, why did you insult my friends? Can you make under him? Why did you insult them? Papa, what did they do to you? Oh, I don't like this thing that you're doing, no. You have started your own. Papa, I don't like it too. Papa, what did they do to you now? Papa, they swear for you, oh. They swear for you. I will change that for you, no try them next time, oh. I don't like that one at all. Don't tamper with my friends. Where is that one, Favor? Favor! Where is she? Favor!
This one that she's doing.
Judith, what is it? You don't look happy. What happened?
There's a big problem. A very big one. And my parents are aware of it already.
What is the problem all about? Tell me, what is it?
I'm 1 month pregnant for you.
And here you supposed to be pregnant from? No, you are 1 month pregnant or you didn't know no. And what does the pregnant have to do with my house?
I've confirmed it and the pregnancy is for you.
Me? You are not serious. You know, carry your belle, come out outside there, go find all these boys where they follow up and down. This I know they see you. You mean that this way, you mean that way. Let me tell you, anywhere where they go, they see you. So go and meet those people. What of that your papa nasa? That's your yellow papa that used to drive motor. I used to see him. I see you with him. What? Don't go and carry and go give him now. Make him take care of him. No be me. No be my own.
For you.
The case. Man, no just enter this my father's house. Come out again. See you here. I'll pour you hot water. Better leave my house now.
You meet
go and meet those people. Keziah. You when you are giving in church.
You meet me.
Go and give those people. Go and give it to those people. All those people that you are sharing. Share. Keziah.
Jonas, where are you going to?
No.
You come and take your responsibilities, oh. Hey, no, I'm not going anywhere. You meet me.
Oh. My friend, this is the real Badume.
You can say that again. Let me tell you, see this Badume you are seeing. It's not a proper that you to eat. It's going good. And once I eat, they take water and they become very strong.
I can see.
But this modern life, I don't know what they are doing in that city.
This one is not to be compared to the current one.
No.
My friend, it's like you have a visitor.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Young lady, how can I help you?
I'm looking for your son, Jonas.
Jonas? Oh, okay. I hope everything is okay. Jonas! Jonas!
Papa. What the hell are you doing here?
My parents have thrown me out of the house. I have nowhere to go than to come here and be staying with you.
Did you understand them?
How can I understand them? Your son is a big boy now.
Young lady, what is the problem?
Papa, what is happening?
Jonas. What? Is that true?
Papa, it's true.
Hey! Hey! Time! Jonas, say boom.
Papa. Papa.
Papa.
Papa.
Papa.
Papa! Go punish you, Mama!
Open this something.
If you are fooling me! If you uncle me, you will die right now.
Papa,
I'm not sure how we strike you because I want you.
Papa, stand up now. Stand up. Papa, eat your body. Papa,